Hey guys, this is Zevin from DMC. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually set up a poll sessions in your Zoom webinars, right? So when the moment that you're hosting a Zoom webinar, poll is very good for you to increase the interaction with your users. So when the moments that you're asking some questions in the webinar itself, your users will be able to actually interact and answer your question from there. And you can even choose to share your results to all your participants, right? So let's go into the step-by-step sharings right now. Basically, in order for you to set up the polling, right, you actually need to do it off this webinar. So before this webinar, before you start the webinar, you need to already set the polling, yeah. Or else when you come into here and you click on this polling, it's like there's no add questions one. Okay, there's no questions, and when you click on the add questions, it will actually redirect you back to the web versions of your Zoom account, and you actually need to set up over right there. So I'm going to share my screen over right here to show you of the settings. Yep. So how do I do the settings over right here? Yep. So if you can see from here, this is the webinar that I'm going to edit right here. Yeah. So I'm going to click into this webinar, and because I already started, right? So I'm going to manually add in the poll under this section right here. So if you can scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see the polls and also the surveys right here. Okay, so I can actually just come here and you can see that there's actually this, I haven't created any yet. So I can just come here and I'll be able to enter this poll. You see, just says, what is your favorite color? Okay, so this is the title for our own view. Yeah, so this is the question that it will actually display for your participants to see. Yeah, so you can actually allow them to choose a single choice or multiple choice. Okay, so I will just put like a single choice option: white, black, red, purple. Okay, so then 4 options. Then I will just put as save. Okay, so you can also add a multiple question. So I'll just do a demonstrations on multiples of questions over right here. How do you do that? Yeah. So let's say, okay, over right here, if I do on a poll, I go on like another question. So right here, I click on add, and that's one question, poll number 1. Okay. Then after that, I will just go on poll number 2. I will just add the question. Okay. So question number 2, what is your favorite cuisine? I have no questions over right here. What is your favorite cuisine? Okay, so I'm just going to do this over right here, and I'll put Japanese, Korean, Western, Thai. Okay, then I'll just go and save the question. Yep, and that's it. So you can see from here, under the pollings, the polls and surveys, right, you can see that there's actually 2 polls that has been added over right here. Yeah, poll number 1 and poll number 2, and the questions over right here. So when the moment that you're actually back to your your presentations, right? So I'm just going to stop these, and I'm going to go back to my polling. Yep, actually it's the same thing. Even though when the moment that you are actually doing this, the screens over right here, right? You can also see here. You can also see this polling over right here. Okay, you can also see this polls over right here, and you can actually just launch the poll. Yeah, you can also just launch the poll over right here. So, what is your favorite color? Let's see. Yeah, currently, when the moment that I'm doing the sharing, I have one. Let me see. I have 1 participant over right here. Okay, Charles is over right here. So let's see if he's online with us and answering the questions, right? So I will just do this as the poll, and then after that, I'm going to launch the poll. Yep. So once I launch the polls, right, you can see that on my side, this is as the presenter mode. It's actually being screened to the participant. Okay, so the participants, hi, Charles is here answering, right? So the participants can actually answer for my poll, and then you can actually choose to wait for the rest. Over right here to actually to set the things. Yeah. So then right after that, you can actually just end the poll and you can also at the same time share the results to the participant. Okay, so this is pretty much on how you can actually do that. And when the moments that you are ready, you can actually just this is stop sharing. When the moment that's the second time, right, you can either come here, share the result, or you want to relaunch the poll, also can. Yeah, but throughout your presentation, the moments that you wanted to share another poll over right here, then you need to choose on the second poll. Yeah, you need to choose on the second poll. Then only you launch the poll. Yeah. So this is how you're going to actually set the poll session and launch it to your users. In order for them to actually interact with you and engage with you from there. Yeah. So that's all that I would like to share with you in this video on how you can actually set and launch a poll sessions in your Zoom webinar. So I hope you like this video. You can comment below and let me know if you have successfully created your poll sessions.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.